other bird that comes to eat. Got a friend that joins. But more, the friend is chasing all the other birds away. See him up there on the thing? So he guards while this one eats. And if any other birds come along, he chases them away. I keep trying to tell him there's enough for everybody, but he doesn't listen. Aren't they cute? I had a yellow finch out here this morning, and they're so friendly. Whoop, something just spooked them. They're so friendly. They come right up to you. It's got a rainy day in Barbados. A while ago it was pouring. So I think this day is going to be a bit of a wash, but that's alright. Let me catch up on some work. So, today is Tuesday, and I hear that we're getting about at least a foot of snow at home. And from watching the satellite, it appears that we're actually being affected by it too with the rain. It has a long tail that's reaching all the way down into the Caribbean, and we're getting the back end of it in the form of rain. So don't be too jealous. At least we're getting rained on while you're getting snowed on. So, okay, off for now.